dash cam check-in. I just drove through a tsunami in Mississippi. I'm still in Mississippi. But you know what I'm excited about? Man, the grass is just starting to turn green. Every kilometer, it went from brown, it's like a little hint of green, and now I can smell it. I can smell that green coming, man. You gotta love going south. I'm dying to get to New Orleans. So I'm driving right now, and I'm going to stop in Jackson, Mississippi. Yes, that's right, Jackson, Mississippi. If you had ever said to me, yeah, I'm going to go down to Jackson, Mississippi in my life, not going to happen. But on this trip, who knows where I end up. New Orleans, though, I'm all prepped, man. I splurged. Since I've already been robbed at gunpoint once. And it's not as bad as it sounds, really. But anyways, I'm paying for an RV park right in the city. I mean, you could almost call it a parking lot. Anyways, full hookups, $27.50 for the holidays a day. That's a weekly rate. I think it's worth it. And I'm basically 5 miles from the French Quarter, and it's security. They lock the gate at 6. No one can get in, so that's good. And I'll just Uber into the French Quarter every night, man. It's gonna be awesome. Okay, let's check out